Yet again, I do not need anyone creeping up here on my video, so if you are not interested in buying or wearing bras, I don't need your views on this, please, because no creepy people allowed. So today we are talking about bras. I am not the kind of girly that likes to have a push-up bra with lots of wire. It's super uncomfortable. That is not my vibe. But I also don't want to feel like I am frumpy and uncomfortable in just wearing something that isn't flattering and doesn't make me feel good. So I want some kind of middle ground. These kinds of bras are all that I have been wearing, and this brand has really taken the cake for me in terms of their styles, their colors, and their fit. Plus, you can get them on Amazon, which we love. This brand reached out to me and I was super excited to work with them because I love sharing things that I genuinely love, and these are absolutely on the list. So OEAK was kind enough to send me 2 of these, and then I picked 2 out myself and purchased them from Amazon just because I wanted to try some more styles. So I have 4 options here. Let's go ahead and talk about them. So first, we're gonna start with a simple one. It is super, super soft, and I love this print and pattern on here. I think it's called jacquard, and it's beautiful. This feels like a very, very expensive bra. It was not, and I love how thick this material is. You can see it's definitely structured. I love how supportive it is, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't feel like it's digging into my skin anywhere. It's just very soft and cozy. It does have padding in here that you could remove if you wanted to. Really like this. It also does have the ability to swap the straps if you wanted this to be racer back, which is super nice. Very versatile, and it did come with the extender as well, so if you wanted this to be a little bit more comfy, you could totally make it that way. Very good color. I feel like this is just a nice simple basic to have in your wardrobe, and I really, really like the scallop detail. I think it's super cute. Next up is a beautiful purple. This one is so nice, and I love these thin straps because you can wear this with tank tops in the summer, and I really, really like the structure of this. So as you can see, it has the molded cups, and then it has almost like an underwire here, but it isn't underwire. It's just very nice structure. It's very similar to a regular bra in the structure with the underwire and this like side wire, but again, no wires here, just very flexible but structured fabric. So it's really supportive, keeps everything where it's supposed to be, keeps things lifted, and is very flattering. I feel like this also is a great level of V depth, so I feel like I can wear this with a ton of different things. I'm gonna get a bunch of use out of this, and this purple color is to die for. Next up, we have my favorite bra, and I actually got this one in 2 colors because I loved it so much. So this one is this beautiful, almost like toffee color. I think it is super pretty. Again, very stretchy, nice structure, pads that are removable if you wanted to, adjustable straps. This one is definitely a deeper V, so this is going to be even more practical. I'm going to get so much use out of this one. And like I said, I got it in blue because I thought this color was just absolutely gorgeous, and I knew that this was my favorite style. I really, really like the structure of this one, and it definitely has a little bit more coverage up here, so it really like sucks everything in, which I appreciate. I think this is super, super pretty. Definitely one of my favorites. Makes me feel very pretty and put together, and I really like how comfortable this is. So big fan of these, and they are so affordable, y'all. This is just, I'm so impressed by the prices. I'm so impressed by the quality. I really, really like the styles. There are so many cute ones. I will put some up on the screen, as you know that I love to do. I'm super impressed by these. So if you are interested in trying any of these, I will leave them linked down below. Thank you so much to OEAK for sending me 2 of these, letting me share them, and letting me share the other 2 that I purchased as well. I am very, very excited about these. I love these bras. They're so, 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 so comfortable, and the quality is absolutely amazing. So I definitely can stand behind them. I really, really like them. So I think you would too. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me and not being a creepy freak who's watching me try on bras on the internet. Right? Anyways, I appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in the next video. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!